Coming up, we have our next question. It's asking us to find, I think it finds a value of root 28. So first, we need to express 28 as a product of its prime factors. Right. So we know, like, you don't need to show this part in your answer paper. That's like a draft. So 28 is equal to 4 times 7, and since 7 is already a prime number, so we don't need to worry about that, so we can leave it there. And 4 is equal to 2 times 2, and we can stop there because 2 is a prime number as well. So now 28 can be represented by the number at the end of each branch. So that's going to be 2 times 2 times 7. Yep. So here, 28 can be written as 2 times 2 times 7. So if we want to apply the square root, apply the square root, and this will be equal to root 28 is equal to root 2 times 2 times 7. And then let's grouping the first two terms, grouping the first two terms, which will give us root 28 is equal to bracket 2 times 2 close bracket times 7. And the reason why we're doing this is because we call a squared is just equal to a times a, which is going to be a itself. Because if we want to take a square root of something squared, of a number squared, it is just going to be equal to the number itself. Right. So now we will get root 28 is equal to, so now we can take the 2 out. So 2 times root 7. Because 7 is a prime number already, so we cannot do too much in it. So therefore we can write our conclusion. Therefore, root 28 is equal to 2 root 7. Yep. And we can always check if our answer are correct or not. So we go 2 root 7 as our answer. Now let's write 2 in a form with a square root. So 2 is equal to square root of 4. So now we have square root of 4 times square root of 7, which gave us square root of 4 times 7, which is square root of 28. And we found out that 28 is what we have in the question as well. So we know that our answer is correct. Yeah. So yeah, so just remember, whenever you come across a question like this, always think about to represent the number into a form that is a product of its prime factors, and apply the square root and try to find out the a squared terms, so that, because whenever we take the square root of a squared, it's going to be equal to a itself, so we can take that out from the square root side. Yep, so, and always you can also check your answer at the end. Yep, so I think that's all we got for this question. Let's leave a comment there. answer. Here we go.